What's up guys, Drake here with RemoveICloudLock.co. In today's video we're going to show you guys how to fix your iMessage and FaceTime if you're having issues with that. So let's get right into it. And yeah, so basically if you have a issue where you can't send any text or make FaceTime calls, it's more than likely related to either your network settings or your settings with your iMessage account. So first we're going to test to see if it's our Wi-Fi settings by going into settings and going up to your Wi-Fi here and just turning off our Wi-Fi and restarting our phone. Our phone is back on now, and as we can see our Wi-Fi is still off, so we're going to turn that back on. And now if you were having those issues, try to send off another text or make a FaceTime call. It might work this time, but if you're still having issues, then let's keep on going. So I'm going to go down here to messages, and just it might say you might be stuck with a waiting for activation issue here. Either turn that off, turn that on, or just do whatever you can to get rid of that message, because I see it's still saying that. And turning on, turning it off, it might not work, but as you guys can see, it still says an error occurred. So go into FaceTime here. Now we're going to go to settings, general, and reset. Now you're going to reset your network settings. Once you reset that, go ahead and restart your phone. Now guys, I've already done it and it did end up fixing itself, and that was what did it, was when I restarted it after I reset the network settings, the network just started working a lot better and the messages started sending. However, you guys are still having issues, keep troubleshooting, keep resetting, and you should get a solution eventually, because it worked for me. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. Leave a thumbs up if you did. Sign off as Drake with Remove iCloud Lock. We'll see you guys in the next video.